The next feature that we want to take a look at is the signature feature, and that is found in this icon that looks like a pen or a pencil and a little bit of scribble or doodle. This represents your signature. So let's just say you've got your map, you've created it, or you've positioned it according to what you want to focus on. You've drawn an ellipse around a focal point. You've turned the lamp on and thrown some light on it so it looks beautiful, and you've typed your in your own words your notes, your annotations describing the picture that you have created, and you know this is you, and you want to put your name on it. Well, right now it says snapshot on a certain date by unsigned. Your name is not unsigned. You want to change that. So how you do that, and you have to do it in a certain sequence. So it's good to do it at the beginning of your JE Viewer session, because you're going to have to delete whatever text is in the annotation pane, and then type your name and click the sign icon. So anything that you've got typed down here or notes that you've loaded up, they're going to disappear first before you can sign your name. So let's just do this. I'll show you this sequence. So first of all, let's hit delete. Okay, and we have deleted the text. Now let's type your name. I'm just going to type my name. ROBBOSS, and then I will hit the signature. And you'll notice down here at the bottom, it changed. It's not only by unsigned anymore, it's by Rob Boss. So that is actually part of the image in the snapshot that you will take later. So anyway, so now let's go load up our custom text that matches this visualization, and goes back to that, and then you're ready to, you know, zoom in, turn on the lamp, draw the ellipse, take the snapshot. You're good to go. But the difference is now your name is on it.